Technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode. What are we at today? 382 technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the amazing articles that we cover here on the stream. Hey Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Again, as I'm doing the small intro, I'm still setting up the final touches for the stream. Trying not to do the starting soon, etc. But thank you for being here, Andrew. You, XLM and Yuma, sure, man. Jake, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Let's do this, XLM and Yuma. Alright, I gotta finish setting up though. Just give me one quick second as I continue doing this, and I'll be with y'all briefly. So, while that's going on, how's your day, guys? A lot of stuff went up today. Steve won't be here too long tonight. Oh, it sucks, Steve. Thanks for showing up, man. Much appreciated. You're feeling under the weather? Yeah, dude, I'm feeling under the weather also. Stressed out, actually. Shitty stuff, dude. Y'all remember that job interview I told you about? Yeah, apparently it's not going to go through, man. They came back with a shitty-ass offer. Half of what we had agreed on, and they don't want to budge, so, I think I'm just going to walk away from it. It's no point in going in at that level. So, yeah, that's that. So like I said, I'm finished setting up real quick. Let's do that, and let's do that here. So, all right. There we go. Way to stick to your guns? Yeah, dude. It makes no sense what they're proposing. They're proposing for me to move to a job that would pay me less than what I earn right now for a ton of workload more, where I would have to work 18 hours a day to get everything started up from the ground up. And it's not attractive at that level, man. To be fair, right? So I told the guy, look, man, you're paying me less. You're proposing me to move into a higher ranking position with a pay that's less than what I'm earning right now. Thank you, but that's not gonna go. He was telling me to think about it. He's telling me to tell a lot of things, but yeah. Tell him, look, man, I can think about it as much as you want, but it makes no sense. I'm not gonna do it. So that's that. End that chapter. Not super happy about it, though. I was really looking forward to that opportunity. Coming to terms in a good way, right? Anyways, whatever. Let's move on to crypto and figure out what's going on. What's going on with crypto? Market cap managed to get above that 618. Look at that, beautiful, right? Yesterday we were flirting with it, managed to get above it, finally hitting the top of the Bollinger Bands. Coming back down, using the 618 as support right now. That we did move low. Lowest point we get was 356.31. We have it at 355.89, so very close. Again, sitting at a market cap of $357.71 billion. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance, it should gain a little bit, 0.90%. Today, losing 0.07%, sitting at 60.94% of market cap. And with that, the price of Bitcoin set a mighty $11,719.42. What? Yes, we moved up until this level, right? We came down, wicked this area, 11,453, found support, went for bounce. That's great. Now, what's going on here on the daily? Right, look, we're coming higher here. And we are coming lower here, right? So, bearish divergence, right? We don't have it here. 66.35, 67, so going slightly higher. So again, bearish divergence against the MACD, potential action to the downside, starting to get that movement down. We could rally a little bit more, even get to 11,928. Still have bearish divergence very likely, and then we could break down if we want to go up, but I do believe we could start to move down slightly. On that note, we're sitting bought at 65.78 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Anyways. Alright, we're looking for this double top of sorts here on Bitcoin 4 hour, but we're more about the short term here, right? Or rejection sorry happening here at this line, right? Managed to get above it, which is good, right? If I would have extended that, finally got above it, so that's good. Again, finding support at 11,453, right? Look at that beautiful support here at 3 in the morning. Hit that area almost spot on. Lowest point we got was 11,451.97. We have 11,453. So $2 off, and then we reject the lower prices on that. We moved higher. That's great, man. Now do we have divergence? Yes, we do. Finally, the way we wanted to anchor it, right? Look, from here, we had it to here. That's great, but from here to here, right? That would be the proper way to do that. Then we go from here all the way to here, right? Like that. Boom, boom, right? Strong bearish divergence. From one island to the next, right? Low. Sorry, high, low, higher high, then positive, less positive, right? Even against the RSI, we could do that move. I'm gonna take this in parts though, so y'all know what I'm gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna go from here to here. Follow along, yay! Coming in lower like that, then coming from here to here, man. There we go. On that note, bearish divergence, potential action to downside. We're starting to flag though right now in the 4 hour, and that's good. That flag could bring another pump coming in, right? Maybe create something short term here on divergence. It's in bought at 63.77. That is if we wanted to go up, right? If we wanted to consider this a flag of sorts, we could try to rally again, right? We'll pull, flag, maybe get another pull. Other thing that could happen is we could start breaking down from here, right? We do have that strong bearish divergence. So again, there's two ways we can look at this right now. So we got to be careful of this flag, right? It might not play out to the upside. On that note, bought at 63.77 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, what's going on? Bearish divergence, move down. We're looking for some bullish divergence here. We didn't get it. We came lower here, right? Look at that, lower and then more negative, right? And lower on the RSI. So I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. We didn't get it where I was expecting that we should be getting it. But that's fine. Still, playing to the upside though, right? We did break below 11,453 briefly, managed to regain it quickly, flirted with it for a little bit, and then finally took off. We're doing something bearish now. High, right? Higher, higher, more positive and higher. Right? Here to here, lower, lower, and lower. So we're not doing much. Neutral at 61.29. I'm not gonna call anything on Bitcoin 1 hour. We're just consolidating right now. I don't like the way we're consolidating on the 1 hour, right? It doesn't look too pretty. Down, then rallying, then coming down, but really failing to define. We could be doing that triangle shape, right? Consolidation. So it would look like that, more or less. Right. Pennant. And that could break either way. Usually to the upside, though, it has more potential, but it could go either way, really, right now. I'm seeing a lot of... I'm not seeing this too clear right now for another move to the upside. Like I said, it could go to the upside, it could go to the downside right now. So, is that for Bitcoin? No, that's not what you want to get. You want to get like more for sure things, but right now it could go either way. I'm gonna go check out Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Bearish divergence, move down, hit that 364, getting that bounce, failing to go higher. That's great. Nothing happened here in the daily. Staying neutral at 56.24 on their side. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think that small bounce, right? So here we were looking for divergence, right? Hidden. We moved down slightly. That was good. Post, we took a bounce here and went higher. And then we don't have anything going on here, right? And from here to here, we're going higher. So all things are good right now. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral at 56.57. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here we came higher. We do have bearish divergence, I believe. So I'm gonna check this out. Well, first, from here to here on the RSI, right? But I do believe we might have it against here also. 73. 68. Yep. From back here also, right? Look at that. Boom. And just imagine we're running from there to there. That's one shot. And strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI. And that when we're down, hitting that 20, trying to find support there. We're trying to get above that 20 again. Let's see if that's going to hold for Ethereum again. Not a lot happening right now. Neutral at 54.72 on the RSI. Again, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. So nothing going on. But there's a strong bearish divergence. On that note, I'm going to check something out in Bitcoin real quick. I think I might have... there we go. I missed that. On that note, let's go check out XRP, man. Because XRP is not doing too hot, right? It's sitting at 24.45 cents. 24.54 cents. We did almost get to a 25-cent area, and we moved down. Rejection. XRP, dude. It's just, look, we barely got above this area, and we pulled back down, right? Opening below this area, we also rejected 20. Sorry, guys. Yawn. Like I said, dude, I'm not feeling 100% right now, but you know, it's rejection at this area. Let's see if that's gonna bring us to the downside. Again, I don't have a lot of faith in XRP lately, so yeah, crucify me if you want, but that's it. Sitting neutral at 48.60 on their side. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. What's going on there? 49.51, and then we're coming in higher here to 104. That's awesome. So from here to here. Alright, this is going to be in the 4-hour chart. And then we'll be going from high to low, right? So like that. Bearish divergence. Hidden potential action to downside. We're reverting, right? We're getting that breakdown. About 24.69. We managed to hold here, which was good. And for a second there, I thought we were going to get back above this area, but we didn't, man. We're just moving down. So, neutral at 52.26 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Anyways, yeah. Bearish divergence moved down. We're looking for the bullish divergence. Got that small rally, though, right? Moving down on that after that, so that's fine. Is that lower? Let's see. No, we're technically still higher, so we would have gone to there, and would have gone to there, and then even might have gone from here to here, right? So hidden bullish potential action to the upside. We get that rally happening, getting us above the 24.69, and then we're breaking down from there, right? Like moving down. We do have some bearish divergence here on the short term. On the short term 1-hour chart. Right. Potential action to the downside. We'll also have it here. Moving down on that. Finding support at 24.69. Felt to go higher, and then we're dropping below. Even below 20 right now. And drop 50.49 on the RSI. Let's go and check out. 1 second. Right, so we're moving down to that. That's it for XRP, man. Let's go look at the Litecoin. What's happening with Litecoin? Coming higher and higher. So we don't have anything here. On the 1 hour, on the daily, we move down and hit support at the 20, trying to go higher, right? Neutral at 49.96 on the other side. We don't have a lot going on there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish, we move down, took a bounce. That's great. Now that bounce still lower, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? So hidden bearish still there. We don't have it against the RSI still. Just neutral at 52.08. So not a lot going on here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence, move down. We didn't create anything bullish. Took a rally, just like with the rest of crypto. We're not creating anything from here to here. From here to here, we're going lower, and everything is going downhill since there. So, you know, not a lot going on here. Neutral at, bought at 60.06. Close to a 20. We could maybe find support there and try to go for another bounce. That's about it. Again, not a lot happening, right? I mean, we did get moves, but we're not developing anything in the short term. On that note, let's check out Binance. Binance on the daily. Again, bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, hitting the 20, finding support, trying to go higher. That's great. Neutral 57.43 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, look, bearish divergence, right? Hitting bullish, going on that rally. Hitting that 20, rejecting. We came lower slightly. That's great. This was post stream, right? So we're not coming this low when we're on the air. So this is the 4-hour chart. There we go. Yeah, we'll be going from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Hit the 20 and rejecting, right? We're still higher than the previous low, so nothing we can chart to there. But that's about it. Strong bullish, last thing we have. Failed to get above the 20, right? Not the best thing. Neutral at 44.65 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, there we go, man. Let's move here lower. All right, lower, and everything was going lower, so we don't have divergence like we were calling out for it. We kind of killed that. So we did move down again, bounce with the rest of crypto, the divergence that we had in the 4-hour. Right, high, lower, high, positive, high on the other side to a lower point. So we're really not developing anything here bearish on the 1-hour that I can see, right? And nothing bullish either. Let's see, maybe here we have some. Yeah, here we have something bullish. That's awesome. Right here, again, let's just get this on the 1-hour chart. There we go. Like this, right? Negative, less negative, low point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI, creating that strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, getting that rally, heading for that 20. Let's see if we're going to be strong enough to break above there. On that note, neutral at 45.22. I'm going to move on to XRP. XRP at 4.5 sats. You're taking a nice bounce today. Again, if you got in here, you could have gotten out higher. They're taking nice profits. So again, I'm part of DAO now, marketing DAO. Got confirmation on the email that my proposal passed. Yay! Again, sorry if I'm not super excited. I'm just feeling like really tired for some reason. Let's fix this real quick here. So columns and green, right? There we go. We didn't have anything bullish here short term. Right. We had it probably back here, which we already called maybe. Short term we don't. So right, check this out from here to here. Right, this will be our positive momentum. Right, to more positive. So hitting bearish. Could start stalling at this area. Maybe do a U-turn. Start moving down on DBT. That's about it though, right? We also have it here on the RSI, right? Look at this. Even from here, I believe we might also have it. Let's see. What is this? 62.40 and 61.50, right? So slightly less. So bearish divergence strong just in the short term. Felt to drop really, just moving sideways there around 4.5 sats. That's okay. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. There we go. Lower. Everything's good there. Neutral at 47.88 on the RSI. Had a low. Yep, nothing here. And look at the 4-hour. Let's go to the daily. We haven't created anything bearish for this move down. Again, like I said, it could be one of those things. We had the strong bullish divergence from here to here. From here to here, right? So from here to here, and then from here to here, and then within this island from here to here. Price action to the upside, we got it. Right now, moving down slightly. That's okay, it's a pullback. But if we manage to drop lower than this previous low, could be interpreted as bullish, and then go on a run from there. On that note, let's go check out XLM. Or our DAO XLM. XLM on the daily. Getting above the 786, which is okay. I'm trying to go higher, that's fine. Just managed to gain 7.03%. Again, not a lot happening here. Going higher, more positive momentum, higher on the other side, so all things are good. Sold at 64.08. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Was this the stellar chart that we were looking at yesterday? No, it was this one. Look, haha. I was looking at the wrong chart. We did this right yesterday. We talked about that flag and put our breaking into the upside. So we did break to the upside. Let me go here on the daily, right? We had the bearish divergence. We were hunting for it here. We went slightly higher, so we no longer have it, right? We did move down after the move, right here. We moved down for one, and now we're going slightly higher, so that's okay. On the 4-hour, haha, we took a measure. Let's measure it from here. And make sure that we had. Right, bearish divergence, impulse up, going higher. What do we say was going to happen? Very likely. Look, we're coming in higher. On XLM. We're creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. So there's that potential for a movement to the downside to happen. So 482, so 489, slightly higher. Bought at 65.65. So again, there's a chance it could come down, maybe for that 20. 20 right now being at 8.21 cents. Right now, a stellar sitting at 8.48 cents. So we're the 1-hour chart. Right, look, we even had the bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. Remember, we left this in yellow. Right, we're live somewhere on here. Starting with this upper area, managed to break above it, confirm support, and then bursting through. Right, so that's good. You have a buy order around 0.82378. You sold around 0.088. That's good, man. It's good that you took profit here. If you took profit. Now, what do we have from here to here? Right, so from previous high to a new high. Right here, and then from here to here also. I'm taking parts just so we can have it all. Right, this second part, right. There's just this slightly going up here. Right, it would be like if I was calling this part here, and this part here, right. So bearish divergence is strong. Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support. They're breaking below 20 right now, trying to get back above the 20. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Neutral at 57.32 on the RSI. For XLM. Switch out Yuma. Right, so we're looking for the bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside, moved down yesterday, still moving down today. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had the bullish divergence that we're looking for. Managed to keep on dropping, right? Wood bank from here to here, that's great. Strong bullish divergence section to the upside, getting that rally, getting above that 20 to 236, right? 23.6% of the way. Again, we even wicked 10.42. That's that's one time. But we're rejecting this area, right? We talked about that potentially happening. Moving for that 20, we're gonna wait and see how it's gonna play out. Neutral at 49.14 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Everything was coming in higher. That's great. Rejected. Coming in lower. Low, lower, low. Right, like this. This one's gonna be easy to tell, dude. Easiest day. Right, we don't have it against the RSI. On the RSI, we were sold at 37.89. Again, strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Let's see if that's gonna play us to the upside. That's about it here for Yuma. On that note, I'm gonna do ADA just because it gets requested. You saw the 8 MA was going below the 50 MA, so you sold. Right. That's cool. So we're looking for that dead cross, basically. Cardano. Let's go check out Cardano. bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, moved down. Managed to rally and climb above this area. That's what we're just getting, right? A lot of bounce at support, so that's fine. Again, starting to play into this sort of triangle shape, right? It gets drawn by these natural lines. Neutral at 59.76, so not a lot going on here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had the strong bullish rallying on that. But right now, though, I feel like super slow, man. Like, it's taking me forever to do stuff. Like, it's also like super hazy. Anyways, coming in neutral at 57.37 on the RSI. Again, hidden bearish, potential movement down. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I feel like what we do, hit that like that button sub. If you don't, hit that like that button sub as well. Stress, yeah. Higher, higher, and higher. Alright, everything's good here. Nothing that I'm seeing here is a downside. Hidden bullish, that's the only thing that we have here on the 1 hour. Right, from here to here. Then from here to here. Then we don't have it here against the RSI. That's fine. Neutral at 51.10 on the RSI. Let's go to the link. What's going on with link, man? Here we're coming in higher. Here we're also coming in higher. And here also coming in higher. Trying to gauge from back here though. 3379, 306. So yeah, right here, right? Then from here to the next island, that will be here, and also from here to here, right? So we also have that strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, right? Getting that movement down, hitting that 20, below 20, trying to get back above it. That's about it though, right? We don't have anything. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Neutral at 50.64 on the RSI. Check out gold and silver. Gold hitting the all-time high, previous all-time high at 1,922, rejecting, being curled by the 20. We're gonna see how this plays out. Silver again, we had the bullish divergence hidden, got above this 168, 161.8% of the way. We're moving back down slightly below it. Again, trying to break above it again, but really rejecting it continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4 times almost. Neutral at 48.88 on the RSI. The Dow down for 110 points. Great. Again, bearish divergence. We still haven't seen that come to play. Neutral at 51.93 on the RSI. Dow Live still trying to recover a little bit today. Again, last thing we had was a strong bearish divergence. Seeing that moved us to the downside. Not even to the 20 though, but just to the downside in general. On that note, let's check out the S&P. Down 56 points on bearish divergence. Also playing down today. London down 28 points. Rejecting the 20, right? Nikkei, right? We came down, hit that 20, took a bounce. That's okay, gaining 260 points. And then Toronto coming down 1,000. Sorry, 100. Coming down 164 points. Hitting that 20. Trying to see if we're gonna hold on to that. We do have that strong bearish divergence. That's about it. Let's check out oil, West Texas. And going higher, coming higher, and coming higher here as well. So nothing, sitting at $40.42 right now, sitting at $42.24 for Brent oil, right? This is Brent. Previous one we were looking at was West Texas. Okay, we don't have a lot going on here yet, I believe so. 55.86, 55.25. Coming in lower, right? Coming in lower also, and 27. 26 is also coming in slightly lower. So yeah, we don't have anything bullish or bearish happening here, right? I was looking for something bearish, we don't have it. That's about it. Guys, thank you for being here. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I feel super tired. That's gonna be it for today. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for showing up for this awesome stream and being part of this community. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Again, like, bell, sub. Tell people about crypto. Talk to your friends about crypto. You know, your coworkers, your family. Let them know that we are here. It's a great channel for everyone to come and look and you know, learn stuff. So I hope you found the content entertaining, and if not entertaining, at least educational. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.